What's up guys, Semi AK Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, we go ahead and click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on here, because we got a lot of great stuff that we do, from tech review, product reviews, all types of reviews. We go over apps, we go over games, we do live gaming. You don't want to miss any of that guys. We do a lot of great stuff. But today I got another great product for you guys to have for your home or for your car. You guys, car and home, how does that work? This is a portable device that I got in. They sent it to me. And it's a great device in my personal opinion for people that like that certain type of smell. All right. So what I'm talking about is the BeeGrow Essential Oil Diffuser. This could take anything in your home and car and make it smell better, or a unique smell for it. It's for everybody. Everybody's different, so you might enjoy it, you might not. It's up to you guys. But this is from BeeGrow. They sent this out to me to go and review. I'm sure because they like the review I did about one of the car parts products I did. They're like, oh, if you like that, you might enjoy this. All right, so because it says right here, BeeGrow Essential Oil Diffuser, car and home dual modes with rainbow lighting. So it has lighting effect and everything on here. So on the box itself, you see it has a little bit of description what it is right here. On top, I'll show you what it shows here. Over here, it gives you their address and a little important information for them right here. On the back is nothing. On the side is nothing. Well, this side there's nothing. On this side, there's the QR code and barcode there for the device. And that's it for everything about the box itself. So the box, its first impression, is very well put together. The colors and everything are very good, which I like. And it's very presentable, very professional. I actually am impressed with the box. I never really talk about boxes because sometimes I always get them in a brown box. But the presentation for this product is very well put together for my first impression. It looks like a very professional item. So let's open it up and see exactly what it is. All right. So there's just a piece of tape here that holds it together. All right. So I'm just going to pop it open there. When you open it up, it comes like this right here. All right, so it says unwrapped fragrance already growing within. Okay, I like that slogan. And here's the actual device here. Well, in a white little packet. So this is this is the manual here, guys. Let me open. It tells you how to use it and everything. So it's very simple. It's very small. You can see 4 pages back and front. Not much to go over. All right. And then here, you got this little pamphlet here. Is it like a thank you letter for buying the product right here? Dear customer, thank you for your purchase on the BeeGrow diffuser. I'm not gonna read the whole thing. You guys can read that if you do decide to buy it. All right. So when you take the cover off here, this foam is very well packaged. Like I always talk about the package, because package is a big thing. And you know they're professional enough if they actually protect their product from further damage while moving. All right, so you got this plastic off here, the foam, and right here, this is the whole package here, guys. This is the top part of it. Well, actually, is it the whole thing? It is the whole thing here. All right, let me see. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is where I put the. Okay, so this is where everything comes out when the fuse and the essential oils burn up. That comes out through here and then diffuse from here. This is the top cover. And then over here you got the bottom piece, the actual product that actually all works together. So you take this part here, put this here, boom, there you go. That is the whole thing right there. Why they didn't put together, I don't know. Maybe because this is actually a glass right here, so they didn't want this to break with this during shipping this, so they separated, which is good. But yeah, so this is USB powered right here. So and I just turned it on by mistake. So I don't know if you can see it from the light, but this actually, it's a light on top here. So this actually turned on, and then you could put different modes here. There's a on button right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. That's the on button, and over here is for the different timers for the diffusers, which is pretty cool. So this is already power, but like what I was trying to show you back here, guys, you see is a USB-C plug in here. That's to charge it. And right now they have 4 different settings. We got one for car. That's one level, and then you got level 1, 2, and 3 for how much you want it to spray. Because for rooms, you need more sprays because it's a bigger room. In a car, they got the as the lowest, because the car is a very confined space, so you can't really put too much in it. You can't put level 3. I mean, if you want to, that's up to you guys. By all means, it is what it is. But it's very, very simple. This is pretty. I don't know if you can see I can hear it diffusing the essential oils in there. But right in the middle, I don't know if you can see it. I probably, with the camera, you probably won't be able to see it. If you can see it, it'd be awesome. All this is lighting up. Well, the middle part is lighting up. And you can see the fuses coming out through the light, which is pretty cool. I like it. It's nice. All right, so that's just one thing. I'm gonna go ahead and power this off because this is, I just changed it. Okay, power it off. So I just powered it off. Hopefully, I think I did. Maybe I just changed the mode on it. All right, you have to hold it to power. To turn it on, just hit it one time. To change the timer, the fusers, you hit this one. But to power it off, you have to hold it for about 4 or 5 seconds on the power button and it'll shut off. All right. And then inside this box, right down here, they have some wire. I think this is the wire to charge it. So I'm gonna take it out. And that's with the whole thing. All right. And this is gonna be the wire and probably the oil stuff. So this comes with a USB-A to USB-C plug to charge it. So that's good for that. And then this is when you get the oils. So they do provide you with one oil that you use to put it in. I don't know if you can see it, what it says. This is the lemon flavor. They have different flavors, guys, but this is the one that comes in the box pre-made. So if you want a different essential oil to be dispersed in your vehicle or in your home, just get the different brand. Okay, so this is lemon flavor, as you can see. It's very, very simple. And they do, which I like, provide a carrying pouch. So you got this pouch here. If you want to carry this around, not just keeping you put it in here and put it away and take it with you. Now, the diffuser, I'm trying to figure this one out. Okay, I'm pretty sure you open this up and you drop the dots inside. So here's the thing. You take it there and you make drops in there. Simple as that, guys. Very, very simple. You pour some down. That's why this comes off. You put it right down this hole right here. You drops in there, and then that'll burn inside this little device and give out that essential oil smell to your room, your house, or your car, however you want to put it, or even your office if you want to put this in your office. So once you put that in there, I'm not gonna put it in there just because I don't want to reuse it right now. And then you put that there, and that's it, guys. Really, really, that's all, guys. Now, this product is an awesome little product. I think, like, especially for the women like to have their car smell better than guys. I'll vouch for that. Guys don't care how it smells. If it doesn't smell like poop or must, they don't care. You know. But girls they like the smell, good smell. This is good for them. This is something my wife will use more in her car than anything that I would. So I'm gonna put it in the truck because that's the car she uses all the time. And that's it, guys. That's what I gotta show you today. And if you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as you can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys don't miss out anything we do on this channel or whenever I go live. And that's it, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.